Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to make a Google Assistant.
What is the time?
It's 6:44 p.m.
Connect the SD card to your PC. Copy the first link. Download the Raspberry Pi OS image file. Copy the second link. Download the latest version of Rufus. Open Rufus, select your SD card and the image file. After it has completed flashing, eject the drive and remove it. Now go to the third link. Enable all, but your location history can be disabled. Now go to the fourth link. Start a new project and select your name, language and country. Scroll down to the bottom and click on click here. Then register the device. Note down your model ID. Do not download the OAuth credentials yet and skip all the traits. Go to the fifth link and log in with the same Google account. Select the previously created project and note down your project ID. Go to the OAuth consent screen and follow the steps shown. Now download the credentials file and copy it to the home/pi directory. Now go to the dashboard and enable Google Assistant API. Take your Raspberry Pi and connect an HDMI cable. You can even use SSH. Put the SD card into the Raspberry Pi. Connect a keyboard and mouse and a sound card. You can even use a USB mic and a USB speaker or speaker with an aux port. Power on the Arduino. Configure your Raspberry Pi and connect it to the internet. Restart your Raspberry Pi and open the terminal. Copy the first line of code. Now copy the second line of code and note down your capture and playback devices. Copy the third line of code. Copy the fourth code and replace the card number and device number with the noted ones. Now select your caption and playback devices. Copy the fifth line of code and adjust the volume of the speaker. Increase the decibel gain to about 20 decibels. Copy the sixth line of code to test the speakers. Press Ctrl C to stop the test. Copy the seventh line of code to test the mic. Copy the eighth line of code to listen to whatever you recorded. If both work properly, go to the next step. Copy paste the ninth code. Copy the 10th code. Copy the 11th link. Copy the 12th link. Copy the 13th line of code. Copy the 14th line of code and paste the path of the client JSON file. Copy the URL and open it. Click Allow and copy the authorization code. Copy the 15th line of code and copy the previously noted project ID and model ID. To run the code after restarting, copy the 16th and 17th. Okay Google, what is the temperature?
The current temperature in is 79 degrees.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.